Hello and welcome. I hope are you doing well. I'm gonna do a recap. Sorry, trade recap of uh, 19 June, 19 January and 20 January. I took 4 trade on 19 Jan, 19 Jan, and 3 20, 20 Jan. Execute trade. For me, it's not so good. These 2 days I missed so much opportunities to like missing trade and break evens. So much trade is break evens, and okay, let's let's go on. First 19, I not go back on 19 because I don't want to explain everything. I want to focus on very small video. I want to focus on 20 because I want to make very small video. Okay, I first I wanna show you. I made a video on 19 Jan portrait. This is my portrait. Okay, my four trade at my break evens. This is gonna happen in 19 Jan. Okay, watch. I have this live video and here other video. Okay, I entered this 19 GU 19 of Jan. Only one trade GU reach first AP. Okay, I took partial something and then break even. And here I had other this one. Okay, this one I not took. It's partials, but I made break even. I was very confident market trade to the downside, but market when came back and hit my break even, and then I try to enter same zone market break of structure to the downside with my confirmation, additional confirmations, market tap beautifully bearish momentum, uh, make break even in this low when market break this low, and then new market came back, get me out of break even, and then market break of structure once again, and I tried to enter. uh, I had the entry same area. Okay, two I entered 2 times in same area and market at my break even. Okay, watch market break this low, and I made break even this video. Sorry, this video. This break even my this trade third trade. Okay, and watch market very beautiful momentum to the downside. Okay, watch what happened. Market came back to hit me out, break even once again, and I was not happy at all. Okay, but total RR is very nice. Okay, but I took partial only in one trade, other is zero partial. I was confident market to trade very strongly to the downside. Here I have a 13. This is very pretty good trade. It's not bad. It's my bad decision to not take partials. It's very good setup, and I was very confident market do very beautifully setup. Okay, this chart this trading, price do what price want to do. It's not our hand. It's not our hands. Okay, we only try to predict market if we wrong or right. Now I gonna explain is 20 Jan every what happened. And other thing, guys, in this market, when you have very small SL, this is gonna very risky say SLs, because we as a smart money trader we put very small stop losses. This very highly chances to hit your SL. Okay, do you don't you think or it's all winning trades? Lots of losing trade as well. Okay, because we as a trader, we as a smart money trader, we took a trades and we lose the trade as well. Okay, this is my last trade, my entry break even. Here is my break even trade. One market cross this one break even first TP. Okay, this is my first TP. Okay, and here is second TP of Asian lows. This low market. Okay, this is first entry of London session Indian Open. Okay, you know what? When London Open and London uh, run very fast and quickly to liquidity pools of Asian highs and lows. Very simple is that. And then I had opportunity to enter here, but I was expecting market cross this one and then came back. Okay, but market not came back in this zone. And here is the break-even trade. Yes, and here. Okay, guys, why I took trade? Sorry, I not. I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, I not go back to 20, but I remind here to. Sorry, 19. I remind on 20. 2 days, 21. I today gonna not trade any trade. Okay, right now is London Open. I'm not gonna trade because my target of weekly is meet and I stay away in the market. Okay, this is Asian high. Okay, and we are already in bearish trend very strongly on higher time frame as well. You know, high, low, low, low. Market made so much efforts to trade downside. Okay, because we broke this swing. This is still is swing. Okay, if this is mm, mon- okay, last 20 I was expecting here reaction, because this is good zone. This is good zone. React market react very beautifully to this zone. This is I think 20, sorry, 13 or 14 14 14 okay. But we are bearish. Okay, when we are bearish, we're looking for sell opportunity. This is a supply zone. Okay, smart sitting liquidity in your point of interest, fit in your point of interest, market tap. Okay, this supply zone, and I when market tap in that supply zone, and then I looking for sell. Okay, okay, here market came back this region. Market took high to this candle, this one, with change of characters to the downside, and then 50% I enter in this one. This is my first trade of the day. Second trade is okay, because we are bearish. I looking out for bearish. Yes, I looking for buy trade as well, but for me in this region is not. I was not confident. I'm looking for market run this order block, okay, and this week, and then tap in this uh, zone, and I was looking for buy, but market reverse from this because here is liquidity, here is unmitigated supply zone, because here is equal bunch of liquidity sitting here, and this is unmitigated supply zone. This is not fully mitigated in this week, okay. That's why I enter market trade and then trade to the option market tag liquidity. Okay, and we mitigate uh, this zone, okay, this region, and then I'm looking for sell. And market have very strong momentum to the upside. And market break any high and low, market need to retrace. Okay, this is strong high zone. And then market need to retrace little bit. Not little bit is strong. I was thinking market need to react very strong. And here market change of character, strong momentum to the downside. We have a reaction from this demand zone, failed demand zone. There is liquidity. This is unmitigated. Okay, this act as a liquidity. Okay, and I think when market cross this candle, this one I entered. I entered. Market came back very strongly. Okay, and then market broke this one. My trade was break even in this stage, and I run into my first tip is, believe me guys, this one was my first tip. Okay, and strong momentum. Okay, and market this one. Okay guys, this is my 19 January 20 January's trades. I not posted any video, that's why I thought I will explain it a bit how I this here I will not explain this one. This is my missed trade, three trade, same situation guys. We are bearish, we take liquidity of Asian. Okay, here sitting liquidity sitting in this high, unmitigated, not fully mitigated this one, okay. This supply zone, market tap into that one, market same liquidity. This is Asian liquidity, and then market broke structure to the downside. Here I not had a very strong feeling to enter. Sometimes yes, when according to price action, here is very strong momentum. I want to enter when market had this kind of momentum. Okay, usually it's depend on market and depend on price action and depend on of day and depend of time and depend also is sessions. Okay, market came react fail reaction, uh, demand failed to control supply, break structure to the downside confirmations. Okay, and that this candle, okay, this candle, you can see this candle sweep liquidity. And see sweep liquidity mitigate this one and broke structure to the downside. Okay, but I not try to jump in this kind of situation. And while I make safe entries, okay, I was thinking like that because this is equal high and mass. This tells me to avoid this trade. Okay, when market broke structure, this is very good area to enter, but I was expecting unmitigated, and this is also flip zone and sitting fit liquidity into your zone. This is missing trade and same here because now we are bearish. We taking the liquidity pool now. Very strong break structure. Once again. Market took liquidity breakout structure to the downside. I was looking to enter in this one. Again, market had very strong momentum to the downside. Market not retracing like 50% as well. More than no, what we did here more than yes, but it's not a good area to enter because not having any liquidity. This is good area to enter, but I was not so comfortable. Okay, guys, this is 20 Jan, and here is other break-even trade. Strong push to the downside, and New York open with this supply zone looking for sell, and here when market broke this low, you see this low. Technically, this low made this high. Okay, this low made this high. When technically when break this one, okay, usually I make a break even, but I try where I was thinking market if break this low, market gonna run this one. I waited, okay, when market cross wick in, my trade is break even, and then rest you can see what happened. Okay, guys, I hope you learned something, and this is my trades of last 2 days. Watch what happened to the London Open, strong momentum to the upside. So as today, I will not take any trade. I am done my week and my month. We wait like 3 4 days to enter in the market. Okay, guys, I hope you learn something and you understand why I take execute all 7 or 6 trade in past 2 days. Thank you very much, my guy.